Struggling to hit your daily protein goal? You're not alone. Protein is the unsung hero of muscle growth, providing the essential amino acids needed to repair and rebuild tissues after workouts. But let's face it, figuring out how to consume 100 grams of protein daily without relying on endless shakes or hours in the kitchen can feel overwhelming. And this is the part most people miss. It's simpler than you think, whether you're a vegetarian or a meat eater. Enter Dharma Kumar, a Goa-based fitness coach known as Bairdholic. https://www.instagram.com/p/dfzdukv to 8 / source =IGEMD _rid =98541. 53-800-2-410-9B3F89FFC762, who breaks it down into a no-fuss strategy, just 4 protein-rich foods, 25 g each, per day. But here's where it gets controversial. He insists vegetarians can easily meet this goal with plant-based options, challenging the common belief that animal protein is a must. Curious about his top picks? Kumar recommends 5 vegetarian and 4 non-vegetarian options that are both practical and effective. For instance, lentils, Greek yogurt, and tofu make the plant-based list, while chicken breast and eggs lead the non-veg category. But is plant-based protein really as effective as animal protein? Kumar says yes, but what do you think? Let's dive into his recommendations and spark the debate, because whether you're team tofu or team chicken, hitting your protein goal doesn't have to be complicated. Read on to discover how you can fuel your body without the fuss.